Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, September 12th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. What do we have here is the RSI indicator with the 14 periods settings and two moving averages, 100 and the 200 moving average. What's happened since our last analysis? The first thing is that you can clearly see we got a new low, which is apparently located at the level of 25,116, which is very close to the technical support, the key technical support located at 24,900. As you can see, this is the one of the major technical supports. It worked as a resistance before in February this year. Then it was tested and new high was made. This is high was made after the bounce from this level, so it's very important level. New high is on your screen right now, 31,562. Since the new high was made, we've been deteriorating lower and lower. Every attempt, every bullish attempt basically of a possible potential rally was capped, and we are now approaching this key technical support level. So the last local high was made at 28,014, and just recently we've made another low at the level of 25,000, almost 25,000. This is 25,000, and the low here was 24,100, so that's only 100 tethers a difference. The market is still trading inside below the level of 50, which is the level of neutral level on the RSI. So the sentiment is negative. We are below 50. Current reading is 43.32 points only. And this bounce here doesn't actually looks hefty, doesn't actually looks like it can change anything in the perspective of the few days or 1 to 2 weeks. So the bearish pressure is still very strong. We can add one more line here, like a kind of a trend line to our chart, and you can see clearly that the market is trading below this trend line. So the key zone on this market, let me just put some rectangle here so I can show you the rectangle on this market. The key zone is located right now just between those two levels here, and it's still far away from the current market level. So the zone is between 29,178 and the other one, the lower the level of the zone, the lower range of the zone is 28,014. So without breaking above this red zone, there is no chance for the market to basically rally higher. So in that situation, the market have to break as well above 200 and 100 periods moving average, must break the technical resistance. So it's a higher range level, the upper level of the range, the lower level of the range, and of course the technical the trend line, the descending trend line that is visible here. So let me just zoom in here to the newest information, newest situation on the Bitcoin, which apparently doesn't look very good for bulls. It looks very bearish, because if you take a look here at every attempt of the bulls to rally, as you can see, every attempt had been faded and the market was pushed lower. As the same situation was here, the market was pushed lower. Now we are bouncing from the round level of 25,000. But it looks like sooner or later, with this kind of a momentum, the market will be pushed lower again. Any breakout below 24,900, which is the low from the June 15th, will likely trigger another wave to the downside. At this time, the next target is way lower, because the next target for bears in terms of the 1 or 2 or 3 weeks is located here at 19,632, which is why this level here, 24,000 and 900 should be very, very important for bulls, should be protected with all of the force, because any breakout lower is generally dragging us down to the lows of the 2023. The low is even lower. The low is somewhere around here. So, but that's the very important low here, just below 20,000. So another potential $5,000 drop is on the table if this very, very thick green level, green technical support level, horizontal technical support level, 24,900 is clearly violated. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.